I am here at Halpe Tea Factory. We produce some of the best teas in this country from Sri Lanka. We have our logo as a Halpe Tea, and we have our tea sold in the public auction in Colombo. We produce some of the best teas here. We try to introduce some of the teas by tasting, and I'm the manager of the tea factory, managed by the UHG group. Shall I do that now? Okay, we have a couple of varieties here for tasting. First I take up this Pekoe variety, which is going to be one of the leading varieties here. You see Pekoe, the most valuable tea, flavory and healthy tea. We try to produce these with the light teas, and we have to ferment the tea for a short period, get the brightness and the health benefits coming to you by shortening the period of fermentation. We get a lighter cup of tea, delicate cup of tea. I would like to see the infusion second. It's going to be a brighter cup. I can look at this. A brightness that comes in the infusions always denotes to be a good tea. And I do the liquoring now. It's very delicate, light, but very bright tea. It's going to be a nice cup of tea for you. And I try to do the second cup. It's known as a BOP, flowery broken orange Pekoe, coming from the same section of the leaf. A little more smaller particles, and I get the infusions going quite bright, coppery. You get evenness of the infusion. I would like to taste the liquor here. Little more body over the Pekoe, but same brightness maintained, and it's a nice cup of tea. Okay, and I would like to go down to the special variety that we make as BOP special, and that appearance of the tea very even, well made, and very black. We can have particles very evenly, well maintained color. And we look at the infusions here. Again, the evenness reflect a good tea here. It's also coppery. Can call this as bright. Then I go to the liquor. Quite bright, adequate strength, quite bright, and a nice cup of tea. And the next cup is a flowery broken orange Pekoe Fannings special. We have white tips over there. It's a tippy tea. It enhances the value of the tea, at the same time exaggerate the flavor of the tea. I would like to see the infusions a little more coppery, it's brighter, and it's very even. So that's a good thing for you to note. And the liquor should little more stronger, adequate strength, and it's nice bright tea.